Hello guys, welcome again to another BTC update. I hope you are doing great today. Bitcoin current price as of today is 28,450 US dollars. It has been already 48 hours since my last YouTube update. And if you remember the last update, I was talking about the importance of the next 24 to 48 hours, at least in order to gauge the micro move, the next micro move for BTC. So seeing it has been already 48 hours and seeing that we have already some price action on the micro, I decided to upload this video. As always, like, share, and subscribe. It means a lot to the channel if you can help it grow. With that being said, let's jump straight into the charts and talk about BTC. Before I head into the micro, I'm going to talk about the macro because the macro hasn't changed in my personal opinion. Just a quick reminder. So on a macro, I'm still expecting some type of triple top formation or head and shoulder formation or a lower high formation. So as you can see, one top, two top, three tops, or shoulder, head, shoulder, or some type of lower high here before continuation to the downside. I'm expecting October and November to be bullish, obviously, but I'm not expecting anything, like 40K or 50K or new all-time highs. I'm just expecting the best case scenario will be some type of triple top head and shoulder formation. Worst case scenario probably will be, a lower high. With that being said, the only way we will reach 40K is basically if we flip 31.8K as support on the weekly time frame, which hasn't happened yet. So a long time. If it happens, I update you again. On a micro perspective, though, it's a little bit different. The micro basically is the next couple of days for BTC. So basically, last time we left off, we were around this area, if I'm not mistaken, which is here, which is Tuesday or Monday, around that area. So I was telling you that the micro time frames were showing retracement for Bitcoin rather than move up, and I was also telling you that the most likely the retracement will take us towards $27,600 to $27,800 region. And I also warned you guys that if in the next 24 to 48 hours we don't see that retracement and rather we see just consolidation, which is happening right now, then most likely what will happen is a move up from that 28K area, reaching towards 29 or grabbing some liquidity from the top. So with that being said, that's exactly what happened basically for BTC over the next couple of 48 hours. Instead of us retracing towards $27,800 region, we actually just consolidated over 28K. And actually, we wicked at 28,072. And right now on the micro time frames, the micro time frames are showing upside potential. We have a nice double bottom on the micro, as you can see here. Let me show you guys. So one bottom, two bottoms here. We have a neckline, which is around that area, which is the $28,600 region. And we have a target of the bottom of the double bottom formation, which is roughly, I would say, around $28,130. So something along here, along that area, most likely. Just be very careful when you see price there, because most likely what will happen is a potential wick to the upside, probably towards this area right here, and then it's going to probably continue down and reach 27,600 to $27,800 region. Reason being is that the momentum, there's not really a lot of momentum on the push up. The indicators on the micros are not really showing that upside. They're not showing that strength in the move. Rather than this move up is looking more like a move to grab liquidity from the top. Rather than a break above 30K or whatnot. And the different time frames like the daily and the 12-hour time frame and the 8-hour time frame are reaching those moments in time where it's basically time to pull back. Basically a daily pullback. So at least I would say a 2-3% move to the downside, which makes sense, right? Which is exactly what we should be seeing. So basically from 29.2 all the way down to, let's say, 27.9, along those lines. And again, it's going to be perfectly bullish on the daily time frame. The EMAs, if I'm not mistaken, are still, the daily EMAs are still way below us. So they're around, I would say, 27.6, which is that region of the pullback region. So it's not unexpected. But as always, the market will not choose a direction until liquidity is grabbed from either side before it chooses the next direction. As of now, seeing that there's a lot of bullishness on the micro time frames, on the micro indicators, and seeing that this bullishness lacks momentum and lacks strength, my best guess is that's what's going to happen. My best guess on a micro perspective is something that will look probably along this excuse the drawing, but something along this path, right? So a move up and then a move down. And then after that, we analyze again if that move is going to be bearish or not. It depends on us holding that 27.6 to 27.8 region that I was talking about, right? Holding it will be great. It means that we could see more continuation to the upside. Closing below it, losing it, as I said in my previous YouTube video, most likely takes us towards the green zone once more. And remember, the green zone is that middle line between bullish micro and bearish micro. So on the micro, meaning the next couple of days, uh, Bitcoin will be bullish or bearish depending on where it lies with respects to the green zone. All right, guys. So that is it for the BTC update. Quick and fast update for you guys. Macro, nothing has changed. Micro, expecting a move up towards 29,300 most likely, followed by the move down towards 27.6 before, and then we analyze again. Thank you again for watching the video, guys, and as always, like, share, and subscribe. It means a lot to the channel if you can help it grow. Before I end the video, I have a good news for everybody, for all of my supporters out there. I've been collaborating with an exchange in order to open a TA trading class, which is free for everybody. And when I say free, I literally mean free. You're not gonna pay one dime for it. If you want to know how to join that TA class, and because there's, I think, 50 spots only available for it, if you want to know how to join that trading course, then go to my Twitter. There's a tweet about it. Join the Telegram group, and on that group, you will have all the information when it comes to how to join and what to do. Anyways, thank you again, guys, for watching the video, and I will see you again next time. Bye bye.